Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the audio levels on your Xbox wireless headset. So I have this one connected to the Xbox Series X, and this one is very easy to see. So if we press the Xbox button or we return to the home screen, we can see the battery life right here for our controller, and then right to the next, to the side of it is the headset. And you can see this little battery symbol right here. So it looks like mine is about 50%. Now, if you have trouble seeing that, you can go to the settings right here, and then scroll on down to devices and connections and go to controllers and headsets. And then you can scroll on over to your headset, and you can go to more options, the three little dots. And you can see the battery level a little bit larger. This one says medium, maybe like 65-70% of the way done here, but hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.